Last year, Renew's Got Talent 1.0 wasn't just a show. It was a celebration of Renew's talent and their passion. And this year, it's evolved, bigger, louder, and with much bigger junoon. Because this time, it's also House Wars 2.0.
परफॉर्मेंस थोड़ा ढीला है जिनका रंग नीला है
Four houses, one stage. The competition is fierce and the stakes higher than ever.
Well, the happiest moment for me was actually lifting the House of the Year trophy. It's not the end result, it's the journey which is very important. It all started with the fashion show. It was not a performance, it was a declaration that we're here to rule the show.
So, from last to this year, I think I'm more encouraged and I want to see new talent coming up because last year was a very, very big surprise.
You know, during last year when we perform on a Ultimate Showdown, where on actual we not win, but when we saw the post of our CSO, Ma'am Vaishali Sinha, she really appraised our team very high.
And so we're confident that this year we'll be able to bring all our resilience and roller coaster experience of last year to translate to power and victory.
Not only as a mentor, for me also, and for I think the teams across to say, these are people from within us whose talents we were not aware of. So we've kind of set a benchmark, and for me now everybody has to exceed that benchmark.
इस बार तो अलग ही जोश है भाई, right? So our vice captains and teams, they decided to beat all those teams in all formats, starting what is happening on 24th.
हमारी स्ट्रैटेजी, हमारी प्लानिंग किसकी रहती है? हम ये डिस्कस नहीं कर रहे होते कि क्या परफॉर्म करना है, कैसे परफॉर्म करना है, कैसे जीतना है. हमारी स्ट्रैटेजी प्लानिंग है कि जीतने के बाद पार्टी कहाँ करनी है.
We had no plan, we had no theme, and in 48 hours we came together, which only goes to show that a little effort from Red goes a very, very long way.
I think we have a lot of talent across different genres. So it's not only singing and dancing. We have somebody who's actually writing songs as well. Then we have instrumentalists. So we've tried to put a group together, a band together, which eventually can be, looked at from a new Tarang, or individuals can be made part of the Tarang. So it's like a succession planning for Tarang also.
So regarding Team Blue, what I can say, they are full of talent actually. There are a lot of nominations came through link of Rejoice. We selected few, and I'm sure the way they are preparing, Blue is going to rock the stage for sure.
Well, this year, the 5 performances that's going to blow your mind will have 2 exceptional dancers in form of Neha and Anisha. We have our own stand-up comedian Vivek. We have a wonderful duet in form of Anirudh and Sanjana. And then there is one magical performance which you will never forget.
I think the definition of talent is it's something that's innate. And I think we have a lot of that. We have very, very talented singers. We have a talented dance performer. We have a very, very unusual talent which is face painting. And we have a family that's coming together and their dynamic is wonderful to watch. So it's innate and it's there and it's classy.
It's more about the passion that the team brings in together, the zeal towards winning it and bringing the laurels to the house. All that I'm sure would contribute towards the win.
This time around they are trying to compete based on the houses that they represent, so it's individual as well as house. So therefore competitiveness would definitely be at a different scale this time around.
Sab ikke pe ikka hai, yeah? There is no worry at all. Everybody comes in and gives their best, and that's what it's all about. And more importantly, it's really about fun. As long as we're all having fun and engaging, getting to know each other, I think that's really the purpose behind this.
To my Red Warriors, let's keep showing what we are made of. Let's lead with passion, perform with power, and most of all, support one another like a true family. Red House, let's rise, let's roar, let's rule. It's Red Warriors.
I think the amount of energy which has been unleashed is, to me is beyond expectations, and that's something which is bringing all the people together across departments. I think that's a very, very good thing to see. There is a healthy competition, which is always very good.
I was really surprised and impressed by the level of involvement, level of talent that we saw last season. And I'm very happy to be the mentor for Team Red this time, because I know there are a lot of hidden talents and a lot of depth in this team, and we'll rock this time.
we are participating in the News Got Talent for the first time without any pressure.
अब टैलेंट का तो बता गई, but I love to dance. A 4-minute salute to a 4-hour classic in a musical way.
My talent is to create माहौल. I keep up the tempo, I motivate people, and वही तो होना चाहिए माहौल बनाने वाला.
This year I will be playing an instrument in a group performance.
I love doing different styles. Like it makes me truly happy.
I am bringing my passion dance to the stage, and this time it is not only dance. It is like I am performing duet with Helly.
My talent is singing. This is my second time participating at the Renew Got Talent.
We are going to perform on dance performance, and we'll rock the show, and we'll keep the stage on fire.
And I've been playing the guitar for the last 20 years. I'm really looking forward to Renew's Got Talent.
I will be presenting an impactful act on Operation Sindoor, which is a tribute to the brave women in our societies.
Green, they believe they are very best, great in all formats, but in actual, they are good drama players. उनको लगता है वो डांस भी अच्छा करते हैं, सब कुछ अच्छा करते हैं, but ड्रामा वो बहुत अच्छा करते हैं.
फैशन शो, it was all meant for blue. वो जो ब्लैक एप्रन खुला, कि बोलते हैं ना फटा पोस्टर निकला हीरो, खुला एप्रन परफॉर्मेंस जीरो. That was the story for the blue.
Most dramatic is green. The drama never stops.
देखो फर्स्ट आना कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, कोई भी आ सकता है. रियल टैलेंट है सेकंड आने में. और रेड रेंजर्स इतने सेकंड हैं, अगर रेस में अकेले भी भागे ना तो भी सेकंड ही आएंगे.
नेहा पे कमेंट मारे कुछ, उन्होंने हमें कमेंट किया है ना खरगोश पे.
लाइक आई सेड, यू नो, खरगोश कब तक ऐश मनाएगा, कभी ना कभी तो टॉर्टोइज ओवरटेक करेगा ना उसको.
इन्हें लगता है हम खरगोश हैं, वो कछुए हैं. सही बात है, कछुए हैं, इनकी पेस ही कछुए वाली है. मुझे लगता है जिस पेस से ये चल रहे हैं 2050 तक तो जीत ही जाएंगे.
All the best to all the team.
It's not just about winning. It's about learning and having fun together.
This is the finale, and we all are here to win. So bring your best because we definitely will.
Just watch out, I'm coming.
Please enjoy your performance. Those 4 minutes are just yours. They're not for anybody else.
Enjoy this journey. Let's cheer for each other, and let's make this finale a celebration of talent, creativity, and togetherness. Best of luck to all of us.
We are coming with a bang-on performance.
Get ready to witness the storm. All the best. Let's talk.
Message to other competitors, we are coming for you.
Congratulations everyone, and all the best for the finales.
देखे जरा किसमें कितना है दम.
Go Green Gladiators!
So message to all three houses, blue का खौफ, blue का भौकाल, बच सकते हो तो बच के रहना, आ रहा है तेरा काल.
For all the houses, नाचेंगे, जीतेंगे, करेंगे हम वार. येलो वॉरियर्स है सबसे धाकड़ यार.
We have wings. Watch us soar. We are red. Hear us roar.
मैं हर बार कहता आया हूँ, वो कब कहाँ किसी से डरा है, जिसका रंग ही हरा है. Gladiators, हल्ला बोल!
My message to all the team members is that go across, perform the best, results will follow.
To achieve lofty heights, आ रहे हैं Blue Knights.
For Team Red, it's all about winning. So others, please watch out and go Team Red.
All the best to each one of you, to all the houses, to all the participants. But just a tad bit more for the, you're right, Green Gladiators. Go Gladiators, let's kill it once again.
खून में है जो जोश का रंग, उसे कहते हैं लाल. हर मुश्किल को तोड़ दे, ये है रेड का हॉल. नारे नहीं काम से होती है पहचान. रेड हाउस है आग, ना माने हार का नाम.
20 performances, 4 houses, 1 stage. This isn't just a show, it's a showdown of passion, talent, and pure junoon. Let the next chapter of House Wars begin now. Renew's Got Talent, Season 2.